Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really good. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about water. Learning goals, sources of water, saving water, forms of water, water cycle and clean water. इन सभी टॉपिक्स को हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास में. So let's get started. Given below are some activities. Tick those which require water. Bathing. For bathing, yes. For playing, no. For drinking, yes. For washing, yes. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water is very important for life. There can be no life without water. All living things, animals and plants need water to live. We need water to drink, bath, cook and wash. Where does this water come from? Let us find out. बच्चों, हमारे अर्थ का जो 3/4 सर्फेस है वो वाटर से कवर्ड है. वाटर हमारी लाइफ के लिए काफ़ी एसेंशियल है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बिना पानी के हम सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते. जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स हैं, एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, सभी को सर्वाइवल के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. हमें पानी पीने के लिए, नहाने के लिए, कुक करने के लिए, वॉश करने के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. लेकिन ये पानी आता कहाँ से है? सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर. रेन इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ fresh water. Clouds in the sky gives us rain. The rain water goes into rivers, streams, lakes, ponds and wells and also seep into the ground. We use water from ponds, lakes, streams, springs and rivers. Water that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. We use groundwater by digging wells, tube wells or through hand pumps. In our homes, we get water from taps. The water we see on the surface of the earth is called surface water. बच्चों, रेन जो है वो फ्रेश वाटर का मेन सोर्स माना जाता है. हमें पानी जो मिलता है, रेन वाटर का पानी इकट्ठा होता है रिवर्स में, स्ट्रीम्स में, लेक्स में, पॉन्ड्स में, वेल्स में और ये फिर ग्राउंड में चला जाता है. Fun fact. The presence of water on the earth makes it appear blue from the space. That's why our earth is called the blue planet. बच्चों, वाटर की प्रेजेंस हमारे अर्थ पर इतनी ज़्यादा है जिससे वो स्पेस से हमारे अर्थ को जब देखा जाता है तो वो ब्लू दिखाई देता है. इसीलिए अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट भी कहा जाता है. नाउ स्प्रिंग. अ स्प्रिंग इज अ स्मॉल स्ट्रीम दैट इमर्जेस आउट ऑफ द ग्राउंड. Stream. This is a thin channel of water flowing down a mountain. This stream becomes bigger and bigger as it flows down the mountain to form a river. River. A river is a good source of fresh water. Waters in rivers mainly comes from the melting of snow on the mountains. रिवर में जो पानी आता है वो माउंटेन से जो स्नो पिघलता है उससे आता है. Lake. This is a large area of water with land all around it. Pond. A pond is a small body of water surrounded by land on all the sides. Well. A well is a deep round hole made into the ground to get groundwater. Sea. A sea is a huge body of water. Sea water is salty and is not fit for our use. Now ocean. Ocean is a very large body of salt water. It is much larger than a sea. Check yourself, find out 6 sources of water hidden in the word grid. आपको 6 sources of water जो word grid में hidden है उन्हें ढूंढना है और इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. Tickle your brain. Why don't we consider sea as a source of water? इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. Now we will learn about forms of water. Have you ever observed steam coming out of the boiling water? Boiling water में से आपने steam को बाहर आते हुए देखा है? This is water vapor. इसे water vapor कहा जाता है. When a cold plate is held near the spout of a kettle, the steam cools down and changes to small drops of water. You must have used ice cubes to cool your drink. Ice is another form of water. Hence, water exists in 3 forms: ice, solid form, water, liquid form, and water vapor, gas form. So let's explore. Fill an ice tray with water and place it in the freezer. Take it out after a few hours. You will observe that water has changed into ice. Now clean water. The water we drink should be pure and clean. Water from the sources as mentioned above may not be safe for drinking. It may contain germs and impurities. Drinking such water can make us sick. बच्चों जो पीने का पानी होता है वो हमेशा फ्रेश और क्लीन होना चाहिए, प्योर होना चाहिए. वाटर का जो सोर्स हमने मेंशन किया हुआ है वो सेफ नहीं है पीने के लिए. उसमें कई सारे जर्म्स होते हैं, इम्प्योरिटीज़ होते हैं. तो इस तरीके की पानी पीने से हम बीमार भी पड़ सकते हैं. वी शुड बॉयल और फिल्टर वाटर बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग. पीने से पहले हमें पानी को बॉयल कर लेना चाहिए या फिल्टर कर लेना चाहिए. बॉइलिंग किल्स मोस्ट ऑफ द जर्म्स. द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाइड टू आवर होम्स बाय द गवर्नमेंट इज प्योरिफाइड फर्स्ट, देन इट इज सप्लाइड टू आवर होम्स, बट इट शुड again be boiled or it should be filtered through water purifier. Saving water. There is a plenty of water in the world as most of it is a salt water. We cannot use it directly. We can use only fresh water that is available in ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. Although rain is the main source of fresh water in many places, there is very little rain, so rivers and lakes do not get completely full. People in such places face a great shortage of water. It is important to save as much water as possible and avoid wasting it. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी को सेव करके रखना चाहिए instead of wasting it. So some tips to save water are as follows. यहाँ पर कुछ टिप्स दिए जा रहे हैं कि हम पानी को कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं. Do not leave the tap running while brushing the teeth. Turn off the taps carefully after use. Make sure the taps do not leak. Use buckets and mugs while bathing or washing. Store rainwater in tanks, drums and buckets. Water cycle. In nature, water keeps on changing its form. The heat of the sun changes water into seas, rivers, ponds and lakes into water vapors. These vapors rise in the air and form clouds. High up, clouds become cooler and water vapor changes into tiny drops of water. These drops fall on the ground as rain. The rainwater flows back into rivers and seas. This water again changes into water vapor and comes back to the earth as rain. This whole process is called water cycle. Trickle your brain. Why does it snow in every cold places? इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. बच्चों वाटर साइकिल आप देख सकते हैं. Check yourself. Give one word for the following. Solid form of water, ice. A process to kill germs in water. To boil water. A source of fresh water, that is rain. A process of continuous circulation of water in nature, water vapor. Quick recap. Water. Sources: rain, river, stream, lake, groundwater, well, tube wall. Now, forms: solid to ice, liquid to water, gas, water vapor. Clean water, boiling and filtering. Saving water, turn off tap, use bucket, store rainwater. Water cycle: rivers, oceans, water vapors, clouds, rain. So students, now it's assessment time. So choose the correct answer. Correct answer को हमें choose करना है. Main source of water, rain. A well is a source of groundwater. This is used to purify water, that is water purifier. When heated, water changes to water vapor. Water vapor rises in the sky to form clouds. Write true or false for the following. So, water keeps changing its form. True. Water we see on Earth's surface is surface water. True. A stream is a large area of water with land all around it. False. We should drink pure and clean water. True. We should waste water. No, it is false. Now, fill in the blanks. So, rain is the main source of fresh water. Sickness is caused by drinking dirty water. Boiling of water kills germs. On cooling water, water vapor changes into tiny drops of water. In nature, water keeps on changing its form. This is called water cycle. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। बच्चों यहाँ पर चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। चैप्टर की मदद से इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। अब आप इस चैप्टर इसके एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद से करते रहिएगा।